On a chilly winter's night, you pick up a young girl in a long white dress who is walking alone down a rural street. She sits in the front seat right next to you and instructs you to drive north on Greenwood Avenue. After a while, she realizes it was south on Greenwood. She then tells you to turn left on Elm and make a right at the third stop sign. You have to make a U-turn again because it was actually the second stop sign. Across the intersection, from the abandoned Quickie Lube, behind the Tall Mart, you eventually find a dilapidated old cemetery. She tells you to stop. She gets out of the car, walks through the gates, lies down on her grave, and disappears. Terrified, you now realize that you're completely lost. After sweating it out in the car for several minutes, you finally decide to brave the Tall Mart and ask someone for directions.